Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be I will be showing you the Criminal Claws Preppy Bitch Kit and the and the Minute Kit. So right here I'm showing you what comes in the Preppy Boop Kit, and it is you get a primer, you get a dehydrator, and you also get the diamond gel. And here is the Minute Kit. I will show you everything that you get in the Minute Kit. If you like any of these products, you can go to criminalclaws.com and purchase the Minute Kit, and you also can get 10% off with using my discount code. So here I'm just showing you the instructions. You do get instructions on how to use this all-in-one kit. And yeah, so right there I just showed you, you get a 4-ounce EMA low odor monomer. You get 2 1-ounce nude acrylic, and this one is Sex on the Beach. And this one is one in the pink. These acrylics are very smooth, very buttery, so easy to use. You can't lose. So right there, I just showed you, you get a size 10 signature Kolinsky brush. The one that I have that I just showed you is a size 12, and the handle is mahogany. So I just showed you the cuticle pusher, the pumic stick, and a 100-180 grit nail file. Here I'm showing you the gel, full cover gel tips, and it does go from 0 to 9. And also with this kit, I failed to mention that you do get a monomer dropper, so that way you won't waste any monomer when you're putting it in your monomer dish. So this kit is very, very beginner friendly. You can't lose. And it comes with everything. This is very beginner friendly. If you don't have like a drill, you can use the pumic stick to etch out, the inside of the nails, and you can also use it to push back your cuticles and use it for your nail beds as well. But make sure you be careful. You don't want to mess up your nail beds by going too deep or going too hard. But once again, if you like any of these products, please go to criminalclaws.com and purchase anything, any products that you like in this video. Also, I did forget to mention that with this kit, you do get to choose your nude acrylics. So that's a good thing, and that's a plus right there. So I'm just going to let you go ahead and continue to watch as I do my prep and my application. And I really do hope you enjoy this video. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're my OD but goodies, thank you for coming back and stopping in my channel. Okay, so I'm not even gonna front. This is my first time trying this Femibeauty method, and this is my first time trying the Femibeauty method, and I have to say that if you're not really good with just laying with acrylic application, this is so easy. I'm still not that good with acrylic, but I love this method. It was so easy, so quick. This was so easy for me to do. I mean, it was easier for me to do better than gel. gel is kind of like messy, but this wasn't messy. I mean, you do have a little spillage, as you can see, around, you know, the cuticle area, or, you know, just a little spillage, period. All you have to do is just wipe it off, or you can just push up to the nail, but mainly just wipe it off. And I mean, it was just so easy. I was just amazed. And so right here, I'm going to put like a couple of beads inside to make the nail much more stronger, put it that way. And yeah. Also, guys, please forgive me. I do have a couple of clips that my camera was kind of like out of focus. I guess my camera had an attitude with me. It just would not let me be great. So I edited out as much as I could once again. So I'm so sorry for the parts that are out of focus. Okay, so I'm just going to do a couple of more of the application process. I'm not going to show you all 5 fingers with me doing the application. So yeah, I'm just going to show you a couple of more fingers, and then after that I will be doing the nail art and the filing and the buffing and the shaping. But you don't really have to shape too much because it's already shaped, but I just shaped it to make it more crisp. So once again, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and thank you for stopping by my channel, and I hope you do enjoy this video. And yeah, I will see you on my next one. Until then, I love you guys. Toodles.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide. I was shooting dice till I got a nosebleed. Money on the floor, can't get cold feet. Took a L, should've put it in the offering. Lord, forgive me for my sins, don't know of me. Scary thoughts, I got scary thoughts. Lost control, now I'm taking charge. Breaking bills, friends breaking off. You could be the youngest, I'm the dawn. Kiss the ring, nah. In the scene like GOT. Stay awake, don't sleep. Like Jon Snow, get R.I.P. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. Just me, myself, and I, my favorite threesome. The cars I drive by, I never lease them. They say if you can't beat them, then you join them. That's no option, I don't join, I always beat them. I was fake, you had to find me. Now I'm on beat, skating like I'm grinding. L hit me, said it's all about the timing. If you want the vision, get to spinning. My mama told me trust in God, it's never limits. Now I'm on the scoreboard, running up the digits. I put in work, you know I'm up to get it. Early bird gets the worm and the Yankee fitted. Like whoa, bags under my eyes and you know. Won't complain, I'm tired, I'm on go. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't ask.